my distinct pleasure to invite our esteemed guest, Ms. Monalisa Das, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Donor, Dr. Mohammad Nazmuddin, Senior Economic Advisor, Ministry of Donor, Brigadier Rajiv Kumar Singh, MD, NEHSDC, Mr. Shriresh Joshi, Chief Business Officer, ONDC, Mr. Tungluk, Joint Director, Ministry of Donor, Dr. Shiparna B. Barwa, Advisor, NEHSDC. To the stage, please join me in giving them a warm round of applause. Before we begin with the program, I would now request Dr. Shiparna B. Barwa, Advisor, NEHSDC, to please come forward and felicitate our honorable guest, Ms. Monalisa Das, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Donor.
This Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav, which was inaugurated by, many of you were not there on the 6th, it must be aware, it was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of the country, and the intent of the Prime Minister, the Donor Minister and the Ministry of Donor very clearly says that when we are looking at Viksit Bharat, we are looking at Northeast as the power engine.
Mahotsav, as we are calling it, the Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav. It is deep in terms of the content it has. It's spelled out very clear objectives. It is spelled out the outcomes that we are looking at.
How many of you know about ONDC? Let me just see a show of hands. At least I've heard of it. How many of you use UPI? Make your hands. Okay, a lot more hands. How many of you have a phone connection? That should be every hand in this room. How many of you use the internet? The reason I ask these questions is there is a property that is common to the internet, to the phone network and UPI that is completely different from how e-commerce functions today. And that is what ONDC is setting to change.
It is with great honor I invite to the stage Ms. Monalisa Das, the Distinguished Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, Donor. Let us extend a warm welcome to her as she delivers the opening remarks.
A very warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful event, distinguished guests present on the dais, all the very important sellers right now sitting in front of me, and the buyers sitting perhaps outside the hall. It's a privilege for me to speak a few words about this. As the name suggests, Ministry of Donor. The basic mandate of M-Donor is for the development of the Northeastern region. And development comes with a lot of involvement, with a lot of multidimensional developmental aspects.
Seller, you have come all the way from the northeastern state, which we are developing, and then the seller from all over the country, and then seller, I would request that you display your product and then the diversity, the speciality in our product in the northeastern region.
Thank you.